Introducing Signature Cafe, common for 2 and 4 option machine. It's reliable and easy to maintain. Open the carton box and take machine, place one proper surface table. Place the water can on the top. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. When bubble can stop rising. Connect 3-pin plug to 15 amps power supply. Single phase. Switch on the machine behind the door. Remove the white canister and fill the premix. Fix properly. Wait for heating. Ready for make your choice before dispensing.